Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning how to do handwritten invoice processing using FormOCR tool. So let's get quickly started now. Go to your Microsoft Azure portal. So here I have already created my resource and storage account and created the container into my storage account and stored the files into the container. So if you guys don't know how to create a resource or storage account, please go back and watch my previous videos. I have shown there how to create the resource and storage account. So let's get quickly started now. Now I'll just go back to my storage account. I'll go to the Form OCR tool and create a connection first so that we can access our files that we have uploaded into the container. So I'll give here handwritten connection. So again, you guys know how to create this SaaS URI or how to generate this SaaS URI. So go back to your Azure portal, go to the storage account that you have created. Before generating the shared access signature, you need to give the permission to the blob services. So for that, you need to go to this CORS. Now here, you need to allow all this blob services here. Select all the 8 methods. Again, allow all the headers as asterisk, expose headers as asterisk, and maximum is will give it as 200. So click on save. Now that we have given the permission to the blob services, we need to, the next step here is to generate the shared access signature. So click on shared access signature. Again, you need to allow all the 3 resource types over here, that is service, container and object. Once you have allowed all these 3 services, go to the start and expiry date. You can just change the time and date according to your convenience. So I'm going to change it one day later, and then click on generate SaaS and connection string. Now you can see the blob service SaaS URL is generated over here. Just copy this, go to your Form OCR tool and paste it. I'll just make this visible. Now here we need to provide our container name. We'll do is we'll go back to our container and copy the container name from here and paste it between the slash and the question mark and click on save connection. So now our connection is established successfully between the storage account and Form OCR tool. So the next step is to create the project in the Form OCR tool. So go to home, click on new project, enter the project name over here. I'll say handwritten process, source connection that we have created now, that is handwritten connection. Then again here we need to provide our form recognizer service URI and the API. So again these details we are going to get into our resource group. So go back to Azure portal, go to your resource group and then go to the cognitive service resource that you have created. Go to keys and endpoint, copy the key and paste it into the API key. Again go back to the Azure portal, copy the endpoint and again paste it into the Form OCR tool service URI and then click on save project. So now you can see here the files or the invoices that we have uploaded in the container, we are able to access over in the Form OCR tool. And you can see all the handwritten words or the characters have been recognized over here. So before going further, what we'll do is we'll add the tags first. So click on plus symbol to add the new tag. We'll say company name, enter. The next one is like date, then again invoice number, and then the last one is total. So what we'll do is now one by one we'll start tagging the data into these given tags. So let me just zoom out this, and then the first name is company name, right? So the Marian company name. Next is date, then next one is invoice number, and the last one is total. Similarly we'll do it for the second one. If you see, the patterns and the invoices are of different format. Now next one is date over here, invoice number, and then the last one is total. Similarly, we'll follow the same step for the rest of the invoices and tag them. So now I have completed the tagging for the rest of my handwritten invoices. So the next step is to train this. So just click on train and then in the right corner you can see the train button. So just click on train button. If you see, even after uploading 21 documents of different formats, the accuracy that I'm getting over is less than 50%. So to get the more accuracy for such kind of documents, you need to train more and more documents. Then only you'll get 100% of accuracy over here. So now what we'll do next is we'll analyze one of the documents. Click on browse and upload any one of the invoices from your local machine. So I'm just uploading one of the invoice over here, and then click on run analysis. So if you see the company name, it is taking completely including the time over here, and then the next one is date, it is extracting correctly, then the invoice number and the total. So here it is, the data is getting extracted, but only the company name that we wanted, which should be only KOT, not the time over here. So for such kind of, if you need more and more accuracy, you need to train more and more documents. So we have here completed our handwritten invoice processing. Please follow the steps carefully and complete this process. Thank you guys for watching this video.